The Koldfront 12,000 BTU heat-cool window air conditioner can service a space up to 550 square feet with cool air during the warm summer months and heat during the winter. This window air conditioner has 12,000 BTUs of cooling power and 11,600 BTUs of electric heating power. Using the electronic thermostat and digital display, you can set your desired temperature as well as control other features like the energy saver mode, fan speed, and 24-hour timer. To save energy, sleep mode will adjust the temperature periodically before returning to the set temperature after 6 hours. In energy saver mode, the unit cycles the fan on for 2 minutes at 10-minute intervals and will turn the compressor back on if the room temperature exceeds the set temperature. You can choose to operate the unit in either cool, heat, dehumidify, or fan-only mode, and the unit comes with a remote control for added convenience.